On your main blog page, you have the ability to change this top section or even remove or add blocks to this templated page. Inside this page, it displays all of the blog posts on your site dynamically, but you can change the top part and you can also add blocks into the bottom part if you wish. It's really easy to do this inside Zenler. Just go into Site, into Blogs, and then go to Settings here. This will open up the first part. If you notice, this is this text here. If we change this, it will change on the site. Also, the title blog is here. So if we change this to stories and change this about to, and then click update and refresh here, this text will now change in here. We can also change the template itself. If you come into here and edit the pages, so this is the post page, which is this page here, the post itself, and this is this page, which is all of the blogs. To edit these pages, you can just click edit. Let's edit this page and change this image in the background. Click edit page, and now it will bring up our usual page builder. Let's click inside here and click settings. Let's go to background image and click here. We can select an image already in our media library, or we can upload our own. Let's choose this image. And now you see our image is changed. Also, see this, which we updated on the previous page, is a dynamic block, meaning it pulls content in from here. You have the choice to delete this out if you wish. This top block, which says owl, I'm going to delete this out inside here, and I'm going to change this color to a white. You can completely replace this block if you wish. Now we've changed that, I'm going to click save, refresh our page. Just before it refreshes, you can change the SEO for this page in here. Let's refresh, and our image will be changed. Let's completely replace this block. Let's add a new block. Let's add a row and a simple text element. Let's now add an image in the background and create an overlay. I'll change this text to a white, and I'll increase the font size to 55 and click save. Let's refresh, and now I will have completely changed the top part of the blog post. Please note that you can also add a block to the bottom area. In this case, what I'll do is just clone this block and I'll move it down and click save. Let's refresh, and you'll see that you now have a block underneath our blog post. You can do exactly the same thing in your blog post pages. If we go to edit this post, you'll see blog content. This is dynamic. Do not remove this, otherwise the blog post will not show. Let's add a top block. Let's add an image for the background. Let's use the same image we have here. Let's create an overlay colour again. In this case, let's choose red. Let's drop in a row and a text element. Let's now click Save. Again, you can set up your SEO for the post pages. And let's check the pages. Let's refresh. And now you have this top block that will appear in every blog post. Like so. And that is how you can edit the blog templates for both homepage blogs and post page blogs.